Which of the following is a ferromagnetic materials? Iron, aluminum, gold. Correct answer is A. Iron. Relative permeability of dash material is slightly less than 1. Options: ferromagnetic, paramagnetic, dimagnetic. Correct answer is C. Dimagnetic. The frequency f of an AC circuit with time period t is dash. A. 1 upon t, B. T upon 2, C. T square, and correct answer is 1 upon t. The function of a dash is to convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. Options: DC motor, DC generator, C. transformer. Correct answer is DC generator. The function of a dash is to convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. Options: DC motor, DC generator, transformer, and correct answer is DC motor. The number of parallel paths in an armature winding of wave winding type for an 8-pole DC generator is dash. Options: 2, 4, 8, and the correct answer is 2. The number of parallel paths in an armature winding of lap winding type for an 8-pole DC generator is dash. Options: 2, 4, 8, and for lap winding it is 8. The value of the peak factor in an AC circuit is dash. Options: 1.414, 1.11, 1.31, and the correct answer is 1.414. The value of the foam factor in an AC circuit is dash. Options: 1.414, 1.11, 1.31, and correct answer is 1.11. Dash law is a direct consequence of the law of conservation of energy. Options: Fleming's, Faraday's, Lenz's, and correct answer is Lenz's. Tesla is the unit of A. flux, B. flux density, C. field intensity, and the correct answer is B. flux density. Weber is the unit of dash. Flux, flux density, field intensity. Correct answer is flux. An ECG is dash instrument. A. indicating, B. recording, C. integrating. Correct answer is recording. For a step-down transformer, the transformation ratio K is dash. A. K equal to 1. B. K is greater than 1. C. K is less than 1. And the correct answer is K is less than 1. For a step-up transformer, the transformation ratio K is dash. K equal to 1, K greater than 1, K less than 1, and the correct answer is K is greater than 1. The equation E equal to minus n d phi by dt is the mathematical representation of dash law. A. Faraday's first, B. Faraday's second, C. Fleming's. And the correct answer is Faraday's second. The EMF induced in a DC generator is dash induced EMF. A. Dynamically. B. Mutually. C. Self. And the correct answer is dynamically. In a transformer, if primary and secondary voltages are E1 and E2 and primary and secondary turns are N1 and N2, then which of the following equation is correct? A. E2 upon E1 equal to N2 upon N1. B. E1 upon E2 equal to N1 upon N2 whole square. C. E2 upon E1 equal to N1 upon N2. Correct answer is E2 upon E1 equal to N2 upon N1. The line current IL in a three-phase star connection circuit, IL is dash. A. 3 IPH. B. IPH. C. IPH by 3. And the correct answer is B. IPH. The line current IL in three-phase delta connection circuit, IL is dash. A. IPH. B. IPH by 3. C. Root 3 IPH. And the correct answer is root 3 IPH. A series motor is called a dash speed motor. A. Maximum. B. Constant. C. Variable. And the correct answer is C. Variable. An induction motor is so called because its operation depends on the phenomenon of dash. A. Induced EMF. B. Mutual induction. C. Eddy current. And the correct answer is mutual induction. An electric motor develops maximum power when its back EMF equals dash the applied voltage. Options: A. Half. B. Double. C. 4 times. And the correct answer is half. Fleming's left-hand rule gives the direction of dash. A. Current. B. Flux. C. Conductor movement. And the correct answer is conductor movement. Fleming's right-hand rule gives the direction of dash. A. Current. B. Flux. C. Conductor movement. And the correct answer is current. For an AC circuit, the ratio of RMS value and average value is called dash. Options: A. Form factor. B. Crest factor. C. Peak factor. And the correct answer is form factor. For an AC circuit, the ratio of maximum value and RMS value is called dash. Options: A. Form factor. B. Crest factor. C. Power factor. And the correct answer is crest factor. Which of the following is a paramagnetic material? Options: iron, aluminum, gold. And the correct answer is aluminum. Which of the following is a diamagnetic material? Options: iron, aluminum, gold. And the correct answer is gold. The relative permeability of ferromagnetic material is dash. Options: slightly less than 1, slightly greater than 1, very high, up to 1 lakh. The correct answer is very high, up to 1 lakh.